Hi, I'm Stewart Oldmeadow.
I'm Paul Evans.
And I'm Jessica McFarlane-Ogden. Welcome to the Miles Market Update.
It's been a very interesting year in real estate with many factors influencing stock levels, prices and clearance rates. Despite interest rates continuing to rise, sellers and buyers have returned strongly to the market and listing numbers have significantly improved in the fourth quarter of 23. Clearance rates have stayed steady over the last 4 to 5 months, demonstrating the strong demand for housing, which is expected to continue in the face of a significant shortfall of residential homes. Melbourne prices continue to make gains. Since the beginning of 2023, they're up 4.5% from January.
So Stu, what does this mean for sellers going into 2024?
Well, the outlook into 2024 is positive, with a large pool of buyers who are actively looking to purchase. In the last 3 months, we've had in excess of 4,600 buyers attend the 110 properties we have sold in this time frame. The Melbourne average clearance rate for the last quarter is 74%, which is indicative of a healthy market. Again, underscoring the strong demand for housing. In Banyule, the quarterly auction clearance rate is higher at 79.5%.
Wow, that's a huge turnaround from the first half of the year. Plus, we've had some great auctions recently.
That's right, Jess. We've had some fantastic results in the last couple of months. Notably, we've had number 20 Ferry Street in Ivanhoe selling well above expectations at $3,470,000. Multiple bidders there competing for the keys. We also had 14 De La Torre Crescent in Ivanhoe, also experienced an exceptionally strong bidding on the day and selling well above expectations at $3,621,000, demonstrating the high demand for quality family homes in our area. So Paul, tell us, how did the commercial and industrial market fare this year?
Thanks, Jewel. It's certainly been an interesting year from a commercial viewpoint, with plenty of ebbs and flows throughout the past 12 months. As mentioned throughout the year, land tax issues have had a significant impact on asset holdings for a large number of our clients, with the reduced land tax thresholds for next year now encompassing all strata and small holdings that will affect most owners of commercial sites. Commercial sales appear to be ticking along at a reasonable pace, with a much more measured appetite from investors, with prime properties still being keenly contested.
That's good to hear, Paul. How would you describe the outlook for next year?
We anticipate some very attractive opportunities for buyers in 2024 as some owners elect to restructure their asset portfolios moving forward. Yields will obviously remain affected by interest rate movements. No one rings the bell when the rates stop increasing, but we believe that there will be those astute buyers reinvesting in A-grade options as we move into the new norm for 2024. Miles have recently acquired the Love Commercial portfolio that enables our property management division to enjoy further expansion within our core areas of Melbourne. A very interesting and challenging year for both owners and tenants. Rent levels quite erratic from where they commenced and ended the year. Rents holding firm, but not significant increases unlike early in the year.
A very interesting year indeed, Paul. You've had some great recent results too.
We have, Jess. Notably, sales for this quarter include 140 Northern Road in West Heidelberg. West Heidelberg, a sale at $3.6 million, a 5% yield, highlighting the continual appetite for quality industrial assets. And 9 Livingston Street recently sold for $3.5 million at auction, representing a 4.3% yield, and that offered some future development potential. They were a couple of the highlights of a very unique set of circumstances in 2023. Jess, it's also been a very busy year for the Miles property management team. Tell us your takeaways for 2023.
Thanks, Paul. Yes, it's been a big year for the team, ensuring that all of our properties became 100% compliant by the March 30 deadline. Surging population growth and a lack of properties continues to challenge the rental market. Rental yields have experienced record increases as a result. Melbourne rents rose 16% in the year to June 2023, with further increases expected, and no end in sight to the supply issue. Our arrears and vacancy rates have both been under 1% for the entire year, and both currently at an even lower level of 0.7%. And days on market has also been very low at 12 days on average this year. A remarkable effort by our team, who manages over 2,500 properties.
That's an amazing achievement for the team. And you've also had some very big numbers in terms of inquiries and applications.
Yes, that's right, Stu. This year, the Miles team have leased 777 properties, hosted 2,132 open for inspections, received over 3,000 rental applications, and fielded over 14,000 inquiries. The low vacancy rates have led to a very strong competition from applicants looking to secure quality rental homes. We recently leased 14 Thorsby Grove in Ivanhoe at $890 per week, and it was on market for just 8 days. 5 Powlett Street, Heidelberg was leased at $860 per week and was also on the market for only 8 days.
That's lightning fast, Jess. What does that mean for investors for the year ahead?
The outlook for investors is positive, with capital growth and yields increasing further from 2024 onwards.
Thanks, Jess. From the entire team at Miles, we wish you all the very best for the festive season.
And we thank you for your business in 2023.
And as we move into our very special 100-year celebrations next year, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us to discuss any of your real estate goals for 2024. We'll be more than happy to assist. Thanks for listening.